Well, welcome back to my channel. Ayan, nagpunta kami sa pizzeria pagkatapos namin mag-out sa work. Ayan, it's 6:30 in the evening. It is located at Santa Rosa Uno near Angry Bar. Alright, and I'm with Judy and my manager, Ma'am Ali. Alright, it's time to order. Dahil nagugutom na si Judy. At nagde-deliver din pala sila through Food Panda. At ano pa hinihintay nyo? Order na! Libre mo ko. Maliit lang yung area nila pero maganda